Madame Montessori explained how when children come into the casa, they disorderly, run around, land up breaking things, speak in a loud voice, etc. We wait, and here I quote, we wait until the child's attention becomes fixed upon an external object, unquote. This involves movement while carrying out a practical life activity or arranging a sensorial material with the hands. Now, this takes us back to the previously discussed factors that aid a child: the prepared environment, freedom to choose activities, and working independently. Thus, concentration leads to the child's personality changing from misbehavior and an inability to focus to a kind of personality who is interested in working. This is termed normalization in the Montessori philosophy. But this normalization has much deeper connections and implications, which we will pick up in the final episode next week. Till then, bye bye.